Namaskar friends. So today in this third series of the Git and GitHubs, we will be learning some new topics. So what we have learned till now are the basic concepts, the environment setup, the life cycle, and the platforms. So in the today's session, we will be learning about operations and the changes. In the operations, we will be covering the create, the clone, the push, the update, and we will be learning about the perform, review, and commit. And if the time permits, we will also go for the online repository. Okay, so the topics that will be covered today lesson will be having how to create a repository locally on our system, how to clone an online repository. So in this we will be learning about how to create an online repository also, how to push the changes that we have made over here in the local to the global or the online repository, and how to update the things and then push them. So that will also have the changes that we have done. The second thing, the perform the changes, review the changes, and after that commit the changes. So we start with the first one. Before starting, I would like to share you that how the session will go and what will be the final output. So for that, what I have done is I have done this. Yes, here we have. So we will first create a directory. Okay, so for this we will be directly doing the commands. Okay, so I have done something for you so that we can do it very fast. For that, first we will go to the desktop. Okay, cd dot dot, here we will check where we have pwd, present working directory is at the desktop. So first we will create one directory that will be our local repository at our system. So first we will check that what version of the git we have. Okay, so the version of the git that we have, how to check that? We have to check that using the command git hyphen v. It will tell which version of the git I have. I have the version 2.42.0. Okay, now we will create one directory at our system. That will be a local directory, or we can say a local repository. Yes, we will create mkdir, and then we will create a directory. So we can say, yeah, git test. Yes, or we can say, uh, yes, we will use the git test only. Okay, git test, it will be better. Or test git, test git already exists on my system, so we can create git test. Okay, it has been created. Change the directory, cd git test. Now in this directory we have moved. We will check what is the size and what it does. It's a blank directory. Now what we will do, we will initialize this git init. Now what it had done is it had added the git initialization to it. Okay, now we will create one text file to it. Okay, how to create a file? Echo, say something, hello to get, then we will redirect this to a file named as, say, we can say test.txt. We'll check whether it has been done or not. Yes, it has, test.txt. Okay, now what we will do, we will check the status. Git status. What does this command do? It will check what all the files it has and what is the branch. On the master branch, no commit has been done. The file has been created but not committed. Not committed means it is not added to the tree. Okay, now what we will do? We have to commit this, but before committing, we will do some configuration. Okay, and what those configuration are, we will add some global parameter to our system. Okay, and the global parameter that we will add to our system will make this git to be added. Okay, for this we have to create an online repository. Okay, for this we must have a git account. Okay, now this is the git account. For the smoothness, what I have done is I have created my own account, and this account here you will see, where it is. Yes, here it is. The account on the symbol, the account name is PeeyushPareek and the name is Piyush. Okay, and these are the repositories that I already have created. Okay, so first we have to add our global parameters to it. So we will create. How to add the global parameter to it? Yes, here we have the commands. Git config -- global user dot name and the username that you have. Okay, it had added, already been added to it. It says global. I have written the spelling of global is wrong. GLOBAL. Enter. It is done. Now we have to enter our one more parameter. Config -- global the user dot email. Here you have to pass your email ID that belongs to that git account. Okay, so I have to pass my global parameter. Okay, after this we have to check what is the status. Git status, status, and here again the same thing. The global parameters are being set. Yes. Now what we have to do is we have to add this test.txt to our tree. And how to add that? Here we can add this by git add that file we have created. Which file we have created? Test.txt. Test.txt. Hit enter. It has been added. Now again we will check the status. Okay, here the status is the new file test.txt. It's now in green, which means the file is in the cache. Now we have to commit. Git commit -m and some message. Okay, committing text file. Message closed. Hit enter. The file has been inserted. Now what we have to do is we have to create one online repository. How to create that? We have to go to this. Okay, and we have to create one repository over here. Okay, now how to create? Go over here, new repository. Okay, see, we have created a test repository. Test. Okay, test is available. Create this, create repository. Okay, it's been done. Copy this path. Okay, now which command we have to do? We have to add git remote add origin space that path name, hit enter. Okay, so it says git, oh, remote spelling is mistake again. It should be remote, R E M O T E, remote. Again the spelling mistake, R E M O T E, remote. It's done. Now we have linked our local repository with the online repository. Now what we have to do is we will push the origin to the main. Okay, how to push? Git push -u origin main. Hit enter. It will ask for the username and the password. Enter the username and password. It says the source does not have the main. That means we have to check which tree it has. So here we have the tree. It has master. Yes, it has the master tree. It does not have the main. It has something named as master. Says so. We'll change this master. Enter. Let it ask. Yes, it is done. Now we have pushed something to it. We will check how it is doing. See over here. The file is here, and what the file contains? The file contains hello to git. Yes, the first thing is done. Now what we have to do is, now we will learn how to clone. Suppose that we have created. Now we want that this to be cloned in our local system. Okay, so how to clone it? We will create one directory over here. amk dir. Suppose that I am a next user who want to clone this git repository at my system. So how to do is create one folder, clone. Okay, now what is the command? If we will use this git pull command, what it will do? It will pull everything from there, and it says already up to date, but we want a clone of this. Okay, so to clone this, git clone, okay, the same path space where we want, in the folder clone. Enter. Now it's cloning everything over here. How to check? cd clone ls. It has the same file text.txt, so it is cloned. Now what we have to do is we have to update something in this test.txt. Okay, so we will go on the UI part. Okay, see how we have done is, for this we have to go over here only on the terminal, so we can do something. We can update this text file also. Okay, vi test.txt. It's been done. So here if I add something, escape colon a, I know something to be written. Okay, I will be happy today. Okay, now save escape colon wq. check what we have done is it is there on log. Okay, you can check that. Yeah, again we can check the same with the command. It's not, so we have to go in the insert mode. Now I am happy today with Git. Okay, save escape colon WQ. It's been done. Now you have to check git status hyphen. Yes, it's saying that the file has been there, but it is in the modified mode. So we have to add that. Git add demo. Which file? Test. Sorry, test dot txt. Enter. Oh, I forgot to put space. Test.txt. It's been done. Now commit. Git commit hyphen m with some edit text. Okay, now it's been added. So what we have to do is we have to now perform some, we have done some changes. So for these changes, what we have to do is we have to first clone, we have done. Okay, second we have updated, yes we have done. Now what do we have to do? We have to check what is the log we have done over here. Okay, so to check git log, it will show me that what I have done. Two commits are been done. One is at 2013, in one is at 25. 25 was the original where we have gone to the head. Okay, and second we have added something in the local repository. So okay, so we have to find the difference. Yes, we will find the difference. Git difference, enter. It will, oh, there is no change, only one file, nothing. So we have to finally commit. Okay, we will commit and push the origin to the master. First we will check that what it contains. So how to check? Now here's the file. This is the text file. It has only reload to git. Yes. Now what we will do is we will add this text to the file. Okay, how? Git commit hyphen m final commit something. It is ended. One commit has been done. Okay, so now we have to push. Okay, git push origin. Origin is at the local system and push it to the master. Enter. Yes, it has said that it has created something. Okay, we will check what it has done. Here is. It is the text file. Yes. We'll check again. Over here. Test. This is the test. Okay. Here we have the text.txt. Yes. Both are same. I am happy today with the gits. So this is how we can do. We can change over here also. We can do like this. Edit the file. Okay. And say added something online now enjoy online editing. Yes, and commit the changes. Add something. Added some text. Okay, commit. Okay, it is done. It should reflect over here also. Yes. So what is the command? Git pull command. Yes, the pull command that we have done here. Git pull. See the changes? Okay. Vi vi not t. Again, I'm doing the same mistakes. Yes, now enjoy everything. Escape colon q not. No changes to be done. So till now we have learned about how to create a local repository, how to initialize it, how to add content to it, how to add that content to the tree using the code, using the commit, then push, add something, do the changes, create a local repository again, clone it on our local drive, review the changes by git log, and then commit. Hope the session was very interesting. You had liked it, enjoyed it. Thank you so much. Again, in the next session, we will be covering some more topics. If you have something, you can write in the comments. Thank you so much.